Most homeowners don't think much about insulation until they notice something isn't right. Maybe the upstairs is always hotter than the rest of the house during the summer. Maybe certain rooms never seem warm enough in the winter. Or maybe the energy bills keep climbing even though the heating and cooling system seems to be working harder than ever. The truth is, insulation affects much more than your utility bills. It plays a major role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall performance throughout every season. Think of your home as a protective envelope. Good insulation slows the movement of heat. During the summer, it helps keep outdoor heat from entering your home. During the winter, it helps keep the warm air you've already paid to heat from escaping. When insulation is installed correctly, your heating and cooling system doesn't have to work as hard. Temperatures stay more consistent, and your home becomes more comfortable year-round. Not every part of a home loses heat the same way. The attic is often the biggest source of unwanted heat gain during the summer and heat loss during the winter. Walls help maintain comfortable temperatures throughout the home. Crawl spaces and basements can affect cold floors, indoor comfort, and overall energy efficiency. Even attached garages can transfer unwanted heat or cold into nearby living spaces if they aren't properly insulated. Different areas of the home often require different insulation solutions. Fiberglass batt insulation has been trusted for decades and performs well in many applications. Blown-in fiberglass insulation is an excellent choice for attics because it fills gaps and provides consistent coverage. For enclosed wall cavities, systems like blow-in blanket, commonly called BIB, help provide more complete coverage by filling spaces more evenly than traditional batt insulation alone. Choosing the right insulation depends on the area being insulated and the specific needs of your home. The quality of the installation is just as important as the insulation itself. Even the best insulation won't perform as expected if there are gaps, compressed areas, or sections that are missed during installation. Proper coverage helps create a continuous thermal barrier that improves comfort, reduces energy loss, and allows your heating and cooling system to operate more efficiently. Adding insulation is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Whether you're upgrading an attic, insulating a crawl space, finishing a basement, or improving the overall performance of your home, understanding how insulation works is the first step toward making an informed decision. To learn more about insulation solutions for your home, visit rsiinsulation.com. You'll find helpful information, answers to common homeowner questions, and resources to help you choose the right insulation for your home.